I'm going to export this project. Click File, Export, Media. You can also press Command M. The dialog box that appears, it's important that you click H.264. And for fastest conversion, you can say Match Source or high or medium bitrate. The other alternative, if you're putting it on YouTube, is scroll to the bottom and select YouTube 720p or YouTube 480p. Our computers at this school cannot handle anything else. If you click this blue text here, you can change the name of the file when you export it. And then you just click Export. This will take some time to do, usually in the vicinity of 2 to 4 minutes. But afterwards, you will have the file on your desktop.